Good afternoon and welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian and today I have a super special remodel to show you in San Lucas. This is a 220 square meter duplex with 3 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. Let's go take a look. All right, here we go. So as you can see, super styling apartment, industrial, rustic, I would call it. They've done a fabulous job, very modern, okay? The kitchen, open plan, as you can see. But what I love about this apartment is, as I said, it's a duplex. It's got a little seating area out here, okay? But check out the ambient here. Literally, your backyard is a river. So that's what you would hear at night. Beautiful, beautiful ambient here. All right, let's walk through this beauty. So, as I said, open plan kitchen, as you can see here. Okay. Definitely a chef's kitchen. 6-burner stove. Okay. I really like the sink he's put in here too. So this is someone, I guess, from the United States who's come here and renovated this apartment, but they want to sell. I will put the price, as always, in the video, at the end screen or in the video. Okay. They are negotiable on the price. As you can see, it's got a dishwasher also. Okay, but a beautiful, beautiful living room and dining room. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms. I really like this one. When I first walked into it, I actually thought it was the master bedroom, but it's actually not the master bedroom, but it has a beautiful working space here, which I absolutely love. Look at that view. That would be your view from work. Again, open the window and you've got the river right outside here. So really beautiful working space, as you can see. And then you've got the bedroom right here. They've kept some of it open, very rustic, as you can see. A beautiful bedroom space here. And right here you have the ensuite washroom. Okay, complete with, as in all the renovations, nice rain shower. Let's take another look at the sink. Again, this is the guest bedroom. This is not even the master. Let's go take a look right now at the second bedroom. This is the social bathroom right here. So this is the washroom that they would use for this bedroom here, which is also, as you can see, set up as an office. Very, very nice. And I can see this is actually a really good idea, and I don't know where they do it, but I actually thought about this as a business here in the city. Right over there is a Murphy bed. Okay, you pull that out and you've got a bed right there. Must have had it custom made, because again, I don't know anyone in the city making Murphy beds, but if someone does know in the comments, let me know. But beautiful office space here also. Okay. And again, in this area here, You are really close to PriceSmart, Pergamino, Crepes and Waffles, San Lucas Plaza. Let's take one last look here at the living room and we'll head upstairs. To the beautiful deck and master bedroom. So this is the beautiful theater room. As you can see, that looks like probably at least an 80-inch TV, maybe bigger. Okay. And right out here, an absolutely styling deck and a custom built jacuzzi. I believe the owner is working in the US, so he's not using this much. I think it was renovated just about 2 years ago. So he decided he doesn't use it enough, so he's gonna sell his dream apartment here. All right, let's take a wander in. And right here, you've got front row seating to Netflix. Very, very nice. Let's take a look at the master, which is just off to the side of the patio here. There we go. Again, looks like a little warehouse here. Very, very nice space. I just want to point out, these chairs are all over Antioquia. I love these chairs. I actually have 2 of them myself. I think right now Camilo, my business partner, he's refinishing them. I actually gave them to him, but I love these chairs. Very simple, mid-century modern chairs. So as you can see, it's done a beautiful job of under bed lighting there. Okay, and again, right out the window, there's a very good look. You've got a couple waterfalls right outside your window, right there. Beautiful, beautiful ambient. That's what you hear from here. All right. Take another overview of the bedroom here. Again, as I said, it's 220 square meters, 3 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, open plan kitchen in San Lucas. And here's your walk-in closet. Plenty of closet space here, as you can see. And the ensuite washroom. Complete, as usual, with a rain shower, a brass rain shower. Also, really nice brass fixtures. This master bedroom is just as big as some of the new apartments in the city. All right, let's take another look. Again, if anyone is interested in this apartment, contact us at ExpatCrib.com and quote San Lucas Industrial Apartment, and we will get back to you. Again, ExpatCrib.com/contact and quote San Lucas Industrial Duplex Apartment. Then I'll know what you're talking about. All right, let's take one last look downstairs. Again, he's done a really nice job here with his high ceilings. And I love the glass. No railings. People always ask about railings. They kind of live on the edge here in Colombia, but easy enough to put in railings right there, not a problem. So, but you've got a handrail right here. All right, let's take one last look downstairs. Again, beautiful open plan kitchen. Absolutely love it. And super open space here. All right, so I hope you've enjoyed this apartment tour here in San Lucas. This is Ian from ExpatCrib, and we'll see you in the next video.